Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this really tasty fried rice. It's a quick recipe, tasty, like really tasty. If you follow this recipe, trust me, your fried rice is going to turn out really nice. As you can see, I'm having the taste. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. So into my pot, I put my butter and vegetable oil. I'm going to be using this to as the base, and I'm going to allow the butter to melt out a bit with the vegetable oil, and then this I'm adding my garlic and ginger paste. I'm going to allow this to fry a bit. So all of this is on low heat. I like to cook on low heat, so I'm just going to allow the butter to melt and just everything to just marinate together. And after doing that, the next thing I'll be putting is my holy grail, my green marinade. I have a recipe on my channel of how I made this special green marinade, which is very good and would elevate the taste of your meals. The link is going to be in the description box, but just in case I forget to add it, please just check on my channel. The video is there. So for yeah, added the green marinade. It's just a blend of aromatics like herbs, like fresh herbs. And so after allowing that fry for a while, I'm adding my washed basmati rice. So this is about um two and like a cup of two derricas. Yeah, if you're in Nigeria, you know what derrica measurement is. This is about two derricas and like 1 milk cup. So two derricas and like 1 milk cup is like about 9 cups of rice, approximately 9 cups. So I've washed my basmati rice, so I put it into the base. Guys, you don't want to miss this step, like the blend of flavors, like the melted butter with the vegetable oil, with the blended green marinade, and infusing garlic and ginger, now toasting it with the rice. Guys, this is like rich packed flavor. It will just penetrate into the rice. In a nutshell, frying the rice in that base, it's a game changer. So I'm going to be adding curry now, and I'll just keep frying the rice. And guys, this is really important, especially this summer period, guys. If you know how many of my food has wasted, because I'm used to the winter season where you can just put your food on the stove and just leave it, but summer, everything just gets spoiled. So now I'm just pouring my white pepper, and you guys can see that I am still like frying the rice because I need every grain, like I mean every grain, to penetrate and just fry very well in the base. So I'm not even taking any chances at all. And this step is going to obviously extend the shelf life of the food, so please don't skip this process. I've poured my meat stock and now I'm adding water. If you are using basmati rice, you know that. Okay, if you are using basmati rice, please be careful with the water, because basmati rice cooks very fast. You don't put a lot of water. Now I'm adding my seasoning cube, which is no, and oh, my mom came from Nigeria to visit, and she brought this seasoning, Benny. If you're a Nigerian, you know this seasoning. She brought it, so I just decided to use it. And another game changer, guys, is using green pepper. Have your green pepper cut into two. Put put one half into the rice, guys. This is a game changer. If you use this recipe, you are just come and tell me my thank you later. So yeah, I added a bit more. I added more water, and just make sure you bury the a green pepper into the rice, and then I'm going to be adding salt. Now salt is usually the last because I added meat stock which is already packed with spices, so salt is usually the last. Okay, yeah, I'm just adding this spice. What was the name? I think I showed it on camera, I missed it. So basically guys, if you don't have that, it's optional. So yeah, I'm just mixing it one more time. I'm using my what's this thing called again? You guys can see it, right? So yeah, it's foil paper, right? No, this is not foil paper, parchment paper. Yes, I'm just covering it, and about 40 minutes later I'm back here. So I'm going to fluff out the rice. So I'm just going to be fluffing out the rice, and at this point I can bring out the green pepper because the rice is cooked now. Fluffing out the rice is really important, guys, especially if you are going to be if you're going to still take time to fry your veggies. Just fluff out the rice so that it will be cooling already, because you know that if you just cover it like that, it will keep cooking, and so that your rice doesn't get soggy. So now I'm just going to be removing the green pepper because it has served its purpose. Moving on to the vegetables, the first thing I put in my vegetable and now my prawns, and allow that to fry for a bit. Then my greens, guys, I'm going to list all the ingredients used in the description box. So I'm just going to be frying everything now. I'll put my, yeah, I put red bell pepper, diced red bell pepper here, just because I want that pop of colors. You can skip that. Then now my carrot, and guys, like I said, everything is going to be in the description box. So I'm just going to be mixing it, and then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to, okay, I think I'll be adding the what's it called, sweet corn, and then after the sweet corn I'll add um my seasoning. Yeah, okay, so now I'm adding my seasoning cube, which is no, yeah, I'm using no seasoning cube. And then after adding that, I'll be adding my sweet corn. I think the sweet corn is the last thing that I added, and I'm just going to keep frying it, and just fry it. Some people like their carrot to still be a bit crunchy. I actually do. I like my carrot to be a bit crunchy. In fact, I really love that. So this is just cooking on low heat, and then the next thing I'll be adding is my um dark soy sauce. Guys, this is another game changer. If you have sesame oil, your dark soy sauce, just add it, guys. Add it, like it makes a lot of difference, like it elevates the taste of the food, and I really like it. So yes guys, if you are new to the channel and you've watched to this point, please just hit the subscribe button. I'm begging you, like I'm literally on my knees. Please subscribe and like this video. Like the video. If you like the video, it will make YouTube recommend my videos to other viewers, thereby I'll have visibility and all. So please like and subscribe. Now then, what I'm adding now is black pepper. This is, if you want, this is optional, but I just like the taste. Black pepper, you know I just like the taste in my food. And now I'm just trying to taste the carrot to see if it's still crunchy, and then I noticed that the seasoning isn't really showing, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm adding more seasoning, and I'm just going to keep frying till I'm satisfied with what I have. So the next thing I'll be doing is to mix the veggies with the rice. So you guys look at that rice. I'm just going to be pouring the veggies and I'm going to be turning the rice. It's quite a lot. At some point I'm going to be using 2 spoons to mix the rice, so I'm sure that the veggies and the rice are, well incorporated, like marry each other. I know somebody actually says that thing. I can't remember what the person is. So I'm just going to pour the veggies into the rice and just keep, stirring. And yeah, you guys look at, just look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Send me your plate. Send me your plate. I'll send you a plate. I'm going to send a plate. If you're in the UK, just send your postcode. I'll have it delivered to you. You guys, I could not stop tasting it because of how nice it's, like, it was already tasting. I could not stop tasting. Don't be like me, so you don't finish the food. So yeah, I'm just going to, now I'm going to, okay, now I'm adding more dark soy sauce. You can still add your dark soy sauce at this point. It's still okay because it's still going to be on the fire for a while, to just, so don't worry about it. It's going to steam up. So yeah, I'm just going to be mixing my rice now. Because of the quantity, at some point I had to get like another spoon to just make it easier for me to stay. Okay, you guys can see now. So yeah, I was just using two of these spoons to stir it together until I'm sure that all the veggies and the rice are well incorporated. So guys, that's basically it. I believe this is, well, I'm going to leave it for you guys to be the judge. So I'm going to leave it for you guys to be the judge. Do you guys think this is quick, easy and straightforward, or you think still too much? But in my opinion, this is not too much. This is really nice. Turned out really nice, really really tasty, like really tasty. If you follow these steps, trust me, your fried rice will bang. Yeah. You guys, please, I have a lot of recipes on my channel, so please, if you've not seen them, don't, you guys see I'm still tasting. Oh god. So yeah, I have a lot of recipes on my channel. Please don't forget to check them out. I have playlists grouped, so just check my playlist if you want baking, soup, soup videos, everything is, and rice and pasta, playlist, everything is just grouped. So please don't forget to catch up on my videos, other videos after watching this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share while I keep tasting my food. Bye guys.